box joints, there's through dovetails, there's blind dovetails, there's mortise and tenon, there's haunch mortise and tenon. It's crazy, all the different ways that you can join together two boards, right? Let's keep this simple. Super easy joinery, guys. I really hope this helps you get you out in the shop, get you into building something, and get started on that woodworking adventure. Don't be intimidated by all these woodworking techniques and all these woodworking joinery that's out there. You'll learn it. Practice and apply, you'll learn it. Let's just get you started, right? Here's your key to open that door. Use it, run with it. Build whatever your heart desires with it. All right, I'm out of here. If you guys haven't done it yet, take a second, subscribe to my channel, give it a like, hit that bell so you know when the next video drops, and make sure you guys hit me up. I've got a new Facebook page, a new Twitter page. Everything is on the website. Go over there, hit it. That's all I got. Guys, get on shop, build something awesome. We'll see you next week.